Hey friends, if you wish to remove search engines from Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Now we're not talking about changing the default search engine. That is a different thing. Here's what happens. At times people add a lot of extensions, especially security extensions, not knowing that they will push search engines to their system. For example, let us say this search engine, this random one. If you click on add to Chrome, it gets added. So if you want to remove it, in that case, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and click on Chrome to open it. Now click on these three dots at the top right corner, select extensions, manage extensions. If you find any unnecessary extension, not just a search engine extension, even an ad blocker, turn the switch off. Click on remove and remove it. This is how you can protect your system as well. These unwanted search engines can even hack into your content and searches. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.